cGxP facilities are required to track events that occur on an instrument, including installation, upgrades, relocation, and mechanical failures. Our trained and certified service engineers provide installation qualification, operational qualification, and requalification services to keep your Cytiva assets in a qualified state and meet regulatory requirements. You benefit from full traceability and transparency, timely and efficient qualification, flexibility to choose hard copy binders or eBinders, performance data comparisons. Ready to learn more?